Hi everyone. Yeah. Hi P3. Okay. Today I'm gonna show it to you. Yeah. How to access your Blogger or your site. Yeah. From your Google Classroom. Yeah. First, you have to make sure you log into your Google Classroom. Yeah. Now, after you log in, you can choose this balloon. Yeah. You can see it in here. And after that, you can go to site. Now, this one is the one that we're gonna use to make our blogger and or site. Yeah, you can click this one. Okay, now this is how it looks like for your sites. Yeah, what can you do with your site or blogger? Yeah, you can do a lot. Yeah, for example, if you want to make a new one, yeah, you can choose this, the plus icon. See it, plus icon. Nah, this is how it looks like. First, you have to name it the website, yeah, before you start everything. For example, I'm gonna make it my first blogger blog slide or site. Yeah, for example, like that. I'm gonna name it like that. Yeah, my first blog or site. Okay. Now, after you done naming it, yeah, see, they will show up in here. You can put any kind of logo if you have it. Yeah, maybe for example, you can put a small picture. I will show it to you. Yeah, you can use any kind of logo if you have it. Yeah, once again, if you have it. But if you don't have it yet, actually you can upload it in here. Yeah, for the logo. Yeah, and five icon. What is that five icon? Five icon is it's a small icon. Yeah. That gonna represent your your blogger or site. But for this one, you didn't have to. Yeah. The first thing that you can do, yeah, first you can name it this banner. Yeah. For example, Mr. Dede blog. Since this is too big, you can make it smaller. For example, maybe 48, nah, like this. And this part we call it banner. Now, for the banner, you can choose. If you have the photo by yourself, you can upload it. But if you want to choose from Google, just choose this one. Okay, choose Google in case you didn't want to use the one that already provided. Use this one. For example, if you want to find a picture, for example, about what should I put here? Oh, I'm gonna put Doraemon then. Doraemon. Nah, you can just search. They will search it exactly like Google. Yeah, the picture of Doraemon. You can choose which one that you prefer to use. I will try to use this one then, and I'm gonna paste it. This is how it looks like. Yeah, this is your first banner. Now, after you done make it the banner, yeah, definitely in the website you need to post something, right? Now, if you want to post something, yeah, in your website, it's quite simple. Yeah, what you need to do, you need to choose this one for the content. Yeah, you can choose this. See, so many options that you got. Yeah, you can choose which one that you prefer. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. Yeah, now see, you can see it in here. this is for the title of the content, and then this is for the description of the content. Now, for this one, if you want to put a video, for example, it's simple. If you have your own pictures, you can upload it, same like a video. But if you don't have, you can choose picture, yeah, same like before, Google. You can mention it, maybe Doraemon again, since I make a website about Doraemon, or a blogger about Doraemon. Now, in here, you can try to put this, yeah, this picture, for example. Nah, and then you can mention the title of this picture, Doraemon is the most favorite manga in Japan. Yeah, for the letter you can make it bold. Yeah, it's up to you. There are so many settings here. And then for the description, you can mention it, Doraemon is really famous. Or if you didn't know about Doraemon, yeah, you can just found it in the Wikipedia whatsoever for the description of Doraemon. Yeah, for example, it's up to you. Yeah. Now we're gonna go next. Next is if you want to put a video from YouTube, for example, but make sure the video that you put in the YouTube it's related to the blogger or to the site that you create. For example, this one is about Doraemon, right? I will try to use YouTube. I will try to use Doraemon. Enter. You will see. Nah, you can see it. This is the serial of Doraemon that you can use. Yeah, for example, this one I'm gonna use it. See. You can mention Doraemon episode. That's for the title, and then you can mention the description, Doraemon episode in 2024, for example. This is how it looks like for a website. Yeah? And then if you wanted to make it colorful of your website, you just choose this palette. You see the palette in here, and then you can choose photo. You can choose which one that you prefer. For example, I'm gonna use this, since blue color always connected to Doraemon. I choose this one. That's all. This is how it looks like for your website. The most important thing you have to remember in your website, every time you're done, you need to save it. How to save it? Here, first you need to click publish. Since this is your first site, yeah, you can name it this one, yeah, because the name is already here. You can publish it. After you publish, you can watch your website. Here, click this arrow and then click look at the published site. This one. They will open a new tab. This is how it looks like of your website. Okay, as simple as that. And then if you want to submit to me in Google Classroom, you can just copy this URL. Remember, the one that you copy is the one that you publish site. Copy this one and then paste it in your assignment in Google Classroom. Okay, I guess that's all from me. If you have several questions regarding to this, you can ask me directly. Yeah, thank you, P3. Yeah, we will see you in the project. Thank you.